Welcome everyone to Art Technology. Today we are going to learn how to set up a page and insert a table in MS Word. So let's get started. For setting up a page in MS Word or Microsoft Word, first we have to go to this page layout tab. Okay, so we are going to click this. Here we'll get some options. From here, first we are going to choose the size. So size, we want A4, the standard size. We can choose the size according to our need. A3 for big paper, letter for small paper, and many other options we will get. So we are going to choose this A4. After this, orientation. Orientation means how my page gonna look when I take a printout. Okay, it's going to look landscape way, means this, or in a portrait way. So I want to give this portrait look. Okay, so I have chosen portrait. Now margin. Margin I can give according to my need. Okay, normal, narrow, moderate. The space I want to leave, top, bottom, left, right. So this option also I can choose. I can go to custom margin and choose according to my need. Here 2.54 semi is set, that means 1 inch. Okay, so I'm just going to set it in 1.27 semi. Okay, and then I'm just going to quickly select, copy, Ctrl C and paste it here. Ctrl V, Ctrl V, here also Ctrl V, and I'm going to press OK. Okay, now the margin is set up. Now if I want to show this margin, make the margin visible, like I want to give a proper border, then what I need to do, again I have to go to margin, custom margin, and now we have to go to this layout tab. After going to this layout, we will get an option border. From here I can choose the margin I want. So I want this box kind of margin, and from here I can choose the line style also. So I want this line style. I can choose the width, how much width I want for the line. So I want this 1 pt. Okay, now if I want to give any artwork in my border, so I can give from here also. Okay, so I will get options. So this, if I choose this, my page is going to look like this. So I do not want this, I want this one. Okay, and this I want 1 pt. Okay, so my page is going to look like this. Now we are going to press OK. So this is how my page is going to look. Okay, so for showing you the full page, I have to zoom it out. See how my page is going to look. Again I'm zooming in. So if I want to, like now if I want to insert a table, okay, so what I need to do, I have to go to this insert tab. So after going to this insert tab, we can go to this table and we can insert as many columns, as many rows we want. Okay, so see the table has come. Okay, now if I want to change the size of the table, then I have to click this button, okay, and select the whole table, go to this layout tab, and I can change the height and width of the table. See, okay, now if I want to change height and width of a particular column or row, what I need to do, I have to simply select it and then I have to change the height and width. See, Now I'm going to select this row and I'm going to change the height. See, I just have to click and then I can change the height and width. Simply I can do it with this plus sign also. So whenever I go between these lines, I will get this plus sign and I can drag this and change the height and width as well. See? Okay, so this is how we are going to insert a table. And if I want to insert more rows, simply I have to go to insert above, below, insert left, right. Okay, so I want to insert below. Okay, so see, I've got rows. Now if I want to insert a particular column, so I have to click this insert left. See, I've got another column. Okay, so this is how we can add as many rows, as many columns we want. So whenever we will select or click this table, we will get this option layout and design. Okay, so when we are not selecting it, we will not get those options. Okay, now if I want to delete the table, a particular row, column or a cell, how we are going to do? So for this we have to go to layout again. Suppose I want to delete this column. Okay, so as you all know, this is the column and these are the rows. Okay, so I want to delete this first column. So how to delete it? Go to delete and column. See, my column is deleted. Now if I want to delete this first two rows, how to delete? Simply select, go to delete and delete row. See, my rows are deleted. Now if I want to delete a cell, a particular cell, suppose this cell means where the row and the column intersect. Okay, meeting point. This is a cell. So if I want to delete this cell, what I need to do? Click on it, go to delete and delete cell. Okay. Again I am going to show you delete cell. Okay, shift. Okay, now if I want to make it here and this one here, see, these two cells are deleted. So this is how we are going to delete the cells. Now if I want to delete the whole table, so for that we have to click this here, go to delete and delete table. From here we can delete the whole table.
If you want to see more related videos, then like, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the below bell button for more updates.